In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a PDF in Notion. Whether you're looking to share your beautifully curated notes or simply need a hard copy for offline review, exporting a PDF from Notion is a straightforward process that you'll soon master. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to the home page in Notion. If you're starting from a different spot, you can easily find your way back with just a click to ensure you're at the correct starting point. Being on the home page is like setting the stage for this operation, giving you the opportunity to access all your pages from a central hub. Once you're at the home page, find and click on the page that you want to export as a PDF. This is the specific document that you're interested in converting. Take a moment to ensure everything looks just the way you want it. Maybe you'll need to make some last-minute adjustments or recheck your data. Notion makes it easy to flip between your pages, so getting to what you need quickly is usually a breeze. With your desired page open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to pull up a menu of additional options. It's a small button, but holds plenty of powerful features, one of which is the one we're after: exporting. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on Export. This step is pivotal as it's where you'll begin converting your Notion page into a PDF format. Once you initiate this choice, you'll be presented with a few additional settings and options to tailor the export to your liking. As you prepare to export, make sure you've selected the right options that best suit your needs. You might notice options like including or excluding subpages or toggling between different file types. Keep an eye on these because while we're focused on creating a PDF, the additional export settings can really customize the output to suit specific needs. For instance, ensuring that the correct file format is selected, in our case a PDF, is vital. Once everything is set to your specifications, click on Export one more time. And just like that, you're done. You have successfully exported a PDF file from Notion. This new document will now be available on your device, ready to be shared, printed, or reviewed. Congratulations on completing this simple but useful task in your Notion workflow. It's always satisfying to see your work in a final, tangible format outside of the digital realm. With this understood, feel free to experiment with other export options or tweak your Notion pages as needed. Remember, the tools are designed to work for you, offering flexibility and efficiency at every step.